Hey guys, Aaron here with For the Love of Tech, bringing you another video on the Samsung Galaxy S9 and the DxO Mark results that just came out. I'm at work. I'm doing work, I'm on the computer, and this thing comes to me and it tells me this camera is better than my Google Pixel. Pixel users across the world die a little bit on the inside. We're thinking, there's no way. Have you seen the picture that my Pixel takes? There's no way! Samsung made a better camera! DxO Mark evaluates the camera in a couple different categories. They put it together in two different scores, they merge the scores, and you get your average. The Apple iPhone X is at a 97. Pretty good. Pixel 2 XL, who's been the reigning champion, has been at a score of a 98. But the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, because it's got the two lenses, is at a 99. I didn't believe it, but I read it and I dug into it. Look at it. I'm not making this up, guys. It's right here. It's on the internet. It must be true. All right, take a look at this picture right here. You can see, now this came from DxO Mark's website. You can go on there, Google it, look it up yourself. I'll put the link in the description and you can see for yourself. Look at the quality of this photo, the Samsung S9 Plus compared to the Google Pixel 2. Look at that. Look how it's insane. You can actually see the difference. It's visible to my naked eye on the computer screen how much better that picture came out. And I didn't want to believe it. I'm going through this report, I'm poking, I'm criticizing, I'm like, there's no way this is better than my Pixel. My Pixel takes amazing photos. And then boom, I come across this picture and it makes me a believer. Now, take a look at this picture. If you can, I'm gonna go a little slow here. Look at the flowers. Look at the petals on the flower. You actually can see the detail. Now this is a long range zoom. So any camera that's giving you a good clear image at a long range zoom is doing good. It's a thumbs up. But if you compare the two, you can see, I mean, all of them are amazing pictures, but the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, that's a great photo. That's really good. And obviously iPhone in the middle, saturating the colors like they do everything else to make it pop. Not really the most natural look, but the picture does look good. Now, take a look at the Pixel. That looks pretty darn good. But the Galaxy S9, again, excels in this. It looks phenomenal. Long range. Looks great. This picture here highlights the bokeh effect. Now, bokeh is a fancy way of saying the blurred effect. That's all it is. It takes the image up front, takes the image in back, blurs it out, leaves this in focus, makes that unfocused. Still, it looks phenomenal. Most cameras that do that do a pretty good job of it. But this here, use your own judgment. Use your own eyes. Look at his hand, look at his face, look at his hat. It actually comes out pretty cool. I'm going to tell you right now, I'm a giant Pixel fan. Here's my Pixel, Pixel 2 XL. I'm probably going to keep it. I'm going to get the Samsung to review. I'll probably still use my Pixel. If Samsung has made a phone that will make me want to switch from my Pixel 2 to the new Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, I'm going to tell you guys about it. But I don't think they did. But I'll tell you guys about it. All right, in this photo, I want you guys to see the photo score for the Galaxy S9 is 104. The video score is at 91. So the video score is not that great. It's not doing the best at video, but the photo's doing amazing. Now the photo is balancing and evening out the kind of crappy video score. So you got to take that into account. Samsung really pushed hard with still images, but when it came to videos, it definitely fell short. If you take a look, it fell short the most at texture, right? The texture in the video is really important. Without it, it looks artificial. It doesn't look real. But those pictures turned out great. I just wanted to throw that comparison up there so you guys can definitely see that's the way that it's looking. Now we got to come back and review the Pixel 2. Look at this. We've got a 99 on the camera and a 96 on the video. So the video is way better than on the Galaxy S9, but the camera is a few notches below. So it averages out to 98. One point below, that's it, 1 point below the Galaxy S9. Still, amazing phone, amazing camera. Nobody's gonna argue with that. If you're looking to buy a new one, either one's gonna be a great option. Here's the overall score of the Galaxy S9 Plus. Mind you, they have to rate the Plus because there's two different cameras. The Galaxy S9 has one lens. The Galaxy S9 Plus has two lenses. One thing to keep in mind is it has this little hand aperture, right? I don't know how it works, if it goes like this or it goes like this, or if it's one hand over here that changes the apertures. I don't know how it works. It's a mechanical arm inside the camera. It says that it changes and swaps out the apertures depending on the lighting condition, which is amazing. This is new smartphone technology. We are in the future. All right, guys, you know how we do it here for the Love of Tech. Give me a Roman numerals 888 dash and leave me a comment about what you like most about the Samsung Galaxy S9 or the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Now that you've heard my initial thoughts and reactions to the DxO Mark study, their test, I want to know what you guys think about this camera. I want to know if you think this phone, this camera is enough to get you to switch. I want to hear from the Pixel 2 users, the Pixel 2 XL users. Do you think just one notch above is worth you leaving Google to go back to Samsung? Thanks for checking out the video. We got the Nintendo Switch. Don't forget the Roman numerals. For the Love of Tech, have a great evening. Namaste.